IBM is the largest new patents creator in the last 28 years, year on year. Okay, and that is the experience that we are bringing into the table. And the modus operandi is also that the courseware, though it has been designed and developed by industry professionals, it is also delivered by the industry professionals. So we can actually give you, it's not just a theoretical aspect. We are actually going to be making and ensuring that you learn the way it should be learned. Okay, and so that there are a lot of practical aspect in it. You do a lot of lab exercises as part of the program, and there are a lot of interactive sessions also which have been designed. So it is not just one-way communication which is happening. So a lot of community discussions will be there. You can resolve some of the queries. There are private chat boards which are there. You can learn or understand. Maybe if you're stuck at one location, you can go back and check that up. Or some of the recordings you can go back and see. There are also visual depiction of the theoretical aspects which are going to be mentioned. So all of these aspects come into the play. Okay, and that is the reason we wanted to ensure that anybody joining this program, they get the money's worth end of the day, and their career progression, if that is the aim that they're going into, that is also taken care.